Are gas fireplaces safe to use in homes? Let's explore the key safety factors you need to know to keep your home warm and secure. Gas fireplaces are popular for their convenience, but safety concerns should be carefully addressed. Potential risks include fire hazards, carbon monoxide emissions, and gas leaks. That's why proper installation and maintenance are crucial. To ensure safety, always have your gas fireplace installed by a professional and follow the manufacturer's maintenance guidelines. Regular inspections by certified technicians can help detect issues early, keeping your fireplace functioning efficiently and safely. Proper ventilation is key to preventing carbon monoxide buildup and maintaining indoor air quality. Install CO detectors to monitor for this odorless, colorless gas and ensure your fireplace is well ventilated. Regular servicing not only keeps your fireplace safe, but also enhances its efficiency. By staying on top of routine maintenance, you extend the life of your fireplace and keep your home warm and worry-free. With proper precautions, gas fireplaces are a safe and efficient way to heat your home. Stay warm and safe this winter by ensuring your gas fireplace is properly installed, maintained, and ventilated. For more tips on fireplace safety, subscribe to our channel.